Hey y'all, welcome to Restless Chipotle Kitchen. Today we're going to make an iconic southern side dish, pineapple casserole. Now if you've never heard of it before or never tasted it before, you might think it sounds a little strange. It's pineapple and buttered cracker crumbs and sharp cheddar cheese. It is baked and the filling is sticky and sweet. The sharp cheddar cheese is salty. The crumb crust is buttery and crispy. And altogether, it is absolutely delicious. It can be served hot. It can be served room temperature or cold, however you prefer it. So easy to make and definitely needs to be on your table at Easter. Let's go over to the kitchen. Okay, y'all, I've mixed the flour and the sugar, and I'm going to put it in a bigger bowl so we can fit everything in there. To that, I'm going to add the pineapple juice and stir it up. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You're just going to want to get it smooth. Once this is smooth, you're going to add the pineapple chunks and the chilies. Stir this in and just make sure that it's mixed up really well and that the pineapple is all covered with the pineapple juice and flour mixture. That's what's going to help thicken it up. We'll set this aside for now, and we're going to prepare a 2-quart casserole dish. And I'm going to take some of the melted butter and just spread that evenly around the dish, getting all sides, because this will get sticky. Once that's done, we're just going to spoon the pineapple right in there and spread it around evenly. Now, you'll just sprinkle the cheese over the top. And then you're going to set the casserole dish aside. Now, I'm just going to crumble these crackers. It's about a sleeve of Ritz crackers, and you're just going to break them up. You can do this in a blender, or you can do it by hand. It really doesn't matter. They don't have to be perfectly crumbled. They can be a little big, little different sizes. What you're doing is, this is a crispy, buttery topping that goes on top of your casserole, and it gets really crispy as it bakes. Once the crackers are all crumbled up, you're going to pour in the butter and mix it up. We're just going to top it with the buttered crumbs. And you're just going to sprinkle those on in a layer just to cover the whole thing. It's not going to be a thick layer because it's all going to bake up together, but you just want to get those on in a layer. Now we're going to bake it at 375 uncovered for about 30 minutes, or until it's bubbly and the top is golden brown. I'll see you in 30 minutes. All right, y'all, here is the finished pineapple casserole, and I can tell you that it smells so good. I'll tell you what, y'all, I cannot wait to dig into this. I've let it cool off a little bit, but as you can see, the pineapple is sticky and sweet, and the cheese is melty and just salty and good. And it's got a crumb crust on it that's buttery and crunchy. This is so good. Let's go over to the table and talk about it. So y'all, what do you think? I put chilies in mine. You absolutely don't have to put them in if you don't want to, but think about it. because it's really, really good. If you like pineapple jalapeno margaritas, then you're probably going to really love this with the chilies in it. If you want to leave them out, go right ahead. It's still delicious, still amazing. I cannot wait to bite into this. That is so good. I could absolutely eat my weight in this stuff. It is indescribable, so delicious, and I promise you it's a side dish, not a dessert. So give it a try, put it on your Easter table for sure, and be sure and come back next week because we're gonna have something new and different here on Restless Chipotle on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe. I love y'all, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.